So guys, this is day 9. Another day, another vlog. So samahan nyo ako guys. Guys, on the way na tayo sa site. Guys, marami rin pala silang kasoy dito. Oh. Nag-start na rin mamunga yan eh. Guys, mga kasoy yan. Guys, may sinakay tayo. Say hi. 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 So guys, malapit lang yung school nila. So, sinakay ko na sila. Ibababa ko sila dito. Cute nila, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, Jerry Jeff. That is their school, guys. Guys, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Oh. Hanggang dito lang yung nako-cover ng sun visor. So guys pala, papunta na tayo ng solar. Bali, pick upin ko lang yung mga workers ko doon and then we'll go to Jabang. Here guys in Gambia, you need to throw your trash in the dump site. So after that, after we collected our garbage, then we'll go to the dump site. I will show you that one guys. Guys, nandito na tayo. Ayan yung mga tropa ko. Sila yung makakatrabaho ko today. Boy, you want to go back 5 p.m. boy?
5 p.m. is too far.
Huh? Do you still believe that you are beautiful than me?
Yeah.
No boy, no. You are handsome boy, I'm beautiful.
Handsome. You are beautiful, I'm handsome.
Guys, presently we are here in Jabang, but unfortunately I'm not able to show you the dump site because they left me. You know guys, this work is not for me. It's for health and safety and environment. They are doing the clearing, housekeeping and all because they will have the inspection. So I'm just helping him because he needs the pickup. But guys, I asked him to drive. So maybe he's thinking that I will stay here. I will just wait for them. So when they load the garbage, they left. So I'm sorry guys for that. So dito na lang muna ako. I will stay here. I will just wait for them. Then I will eat lunch.
A few minutes later.
Guys, nakabalik na sila. Nakakatawa because our health and safety officer, he is saying that they paid $200. And then I said it's a bit expensive and then he said yeah, because of the car, because of the pickup, because if like donkey car or just small car, maybe we will just pay 100, but because of pickup, they paid 200. So guys, I'm on the way to the house now. I will eat lunch. Guys, we are in the house. Let's eat.
A few minutes later.
Guys, tapos na tayong kumain. So pala, maggagawa kaming tea ni auntie. Magpapaturo ako sa kanya kung paano ba gamitin yun, no? Yung gun-gun na yun. So, let's go.
Hello guys.
So, what we will do, auntie?
Today I want to make gun today.
Gun-gun tea?
Yes. Gun tea.
Auntie is very beautiful, look.
I'm not beautiful, sir.
There's a story now why auntie is wearing like this.
The gun is here.
Yeah. How many we will take?
4, sir. I'm cutting the fresh one.
Mm.
Yes.
Auntie is cutting the fresh one. Ah, yeah, it's fresh.
You have 3, huh?
4, this one is fresh.
4. So let's go. Get this here.
So it's finished.
It's finished.
It's finished, Auntie.
Yes. It's not difficult.
Ah, only like this, Auntie.
Like this.
Do you know what is the benefit of this gungun? It's good for what?
This one. It's good for many things.
It's good for many things.
Yes. Yes.
Guys, the taste is good. Approved. Guys, Auntie wants to tell you something. She wants to teach you something.
Guys, you know that this one, gungun, I didn't know how to call gungun in this thing.
English.
Now I suppose always I used to tell Auntie Myra this one is gungun gungun. Now Auntie Myra do this thing.
Research.
Research. Now she know that now this one gungun name of this thing English is Thai bean seed.
Yeah.
Yes, but gungun is good, huh?
Yeah, it's good.
You know that Auntie Myra, I told you that last time gungun is good.
Mm.
Yes, it's good for body.
Yeah, for body and all.
What?
Guys, the name of the English name of this leaves is Thai basil. So it's a basil, guys. So many benefits. Really, it's good. Even you drink daily, it's good. So it says in Google, you know, Google helps us a lot. Google said it assists you to detoxify, and then it also reduce stress level, and then at the same time it aids digestion. Also, if you have rheuma, arthritis and rheumatoids, you can drink this daily to help relieve the pain. So did you hear that, Auntie?
Yeah.
So guys, what I decided, from tomorrow I will drink this tea every day, guys.
You know that the white people didn't know gungun, but for black people, for us, we know that. That's why I mean every day I used to drink this.
Yeah, Auntie, she used to drink this tea. This one has a lot of benefits, so I will drink this every day now.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay lah.
So guys, if you have this, you can do it as well.
Auntie, I'm speaking this in Chinese.
Yeah.
Auntie, okay lah, Buddha.
Okay lah, good. Her phone is Chinese. And her phone got some problem. So now, her TikTok, all Chinese.
I'm having now, you know that I'm having Chinese phone. But now I have my phone there, Chinese TikTok. Now I used to like Chinese TikTok. That's
Yeah.
why now I'm trying Chinese.
Yeah. She used to watch videos on TikTok. Now that's why she say, okay lah.
Yes, Buddha.
Good. So guys, I will go now to the site and I will give Auntie a lift. Okay lang?
Okay lah, me also, I'm going home. My baby guy's waiting me there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Jaja is waiting na.
Mhm.
Okay.
Guys, my boss is going there.
What boss?
It's my boss. Now she give me this thing leave. Me also, I'm going home, huh? Hey, boss.
Auntie Binta is my boss now?
No, I will not allow that. Auntie Mera is my boss. Yes.
I will drive for my boss first na. I will drop her.
You're supposed to give me a drive.
Huh?
I can drive.
You can drive?
Hey, guys, I cannot drive that. I don't know how to drive.
I told you I don't have family yet. Don't kill me
na nga, winakilin niya. You see, auntie, yes, auntie.
Yeah, Auntie is afraid that Auntie Binta will drive and I will die in Gambia.
You not there, don't afraid. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Auntie, say bye-bye. Yes.
Guys, ayun mga workers ko, oh. Nagpapahinga. Maaga lang akong bumalik guys kasi nga para makapagpahinga sila. Bali, pick upin ko lang tong mga tropa ko guys. Then, punta na kami ng solar.
Few moments later.
Guys, pabalik na ako ng bahay. Hindi na ako nakapag-video nung nakarating ako ng site. Tsaka wala naman akong gaanong ginawa guys. Chinek ko lang naman yung output. So far, the plant is going well. Walang gaanong problem. So it's okay. Guys, nasa bahay na tayo. So, meron kasing palaging question. So, I will answer that. And then, there's one comment na pumukaw ng aking attention, guys. It's not in the recent vlog, but before. My vlog before, she commented there. So, guys, maraming nagtatanong na kung Kapampangan daw ba ako. Guys, as far as I know, sa mother side ko, yung mga tatang ko, nagkakapampangan sila. So, I think they are Kapampangan, guys. But, my mother, she understands Kapampangan, but she doesn't speak. Me, guys, I know some, but hindi rin po ako nakakapagsalita. Talagang Tagalog lang po yung alam ko. And then guys, there's another question. I think I already answered this before. They always ask if I'm married, I'm single or what, or I have children. Because last time, I said like in a joke way that I have 3 children. And then I answered in our live that I'm not married yet, guys. But I'm not available and I don't have children yet. And then guys, there's one comment. It's just a recent comment. She said there that you look like Lenny Robredo. You tell me guys, you can tell. Just comment down below if really that me and Lenny Robredo has the same face. And I will say this line. Hindi ka babae lang, babae ka. And then guys, there's a continuation na of her comment. She said there, I can feel that you're a lesbian. Guys, it's really, like gets my attention. Guys, really, I'm not a girly. I'm not a girly type. And I'm small boyish. But guys, I'm not a lesbian. I'm a girl. And I want to get married. I'm not lesbian. I want to get married to a man, not a woman. So, I hope I answered that clearly, guys. Guys, I want to appreciate those people who commented on my yesterday's vlog. So, they said that I'm too energetic, like just be natural. And then some people, they love the energy just like that. I appreciate that, guys, and thank you for that. I just tried. But I love the way I am. I want it to be natural. I know, I'm soft-spoken. And maybe some people, if I will talk too much na, you will sleep. Because, the voice is just like this, and how I speak is very slow. I'm sorry for that, guys, and I'm thanking you for appreciating and for watching. Still, even I'm just like this. Thank you guys for that. And then guys, I just want to shout out some people. So, shout out ko lang po si Dexter Bahoyo from Negros Oriental. And then, Jonel Gobaton from Oriental Mindoro. At Kenshin _ Batosay from San Rafael, Bulacan. And lastly, at Team 4 San Lorenzo from Milan, Italy. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Shout out po and God bless din po. So guys, I will just eat dinner and then I will go out. I will walk with the dogs because really I want to make them to have their routine, morning routine and night routine. And then guys, yeah, I think that's all for today guys. So thank you for watching guys. Always remember, don't forget that you're amazing. Bye bye.